Naisha. Ibo fi Maria Usa girl, oh, Naisha. And Yoruba fi marry Ibo girl, oh, no, Naisha.
I will call Uncle. They went out together. Oh my God. Hello? Uncle, yes, I am not fine. Are you with Joseph Bobo? I cannot find him, but say in there, sugar bar. You are not with him. Baba, my father should give me his number that day, but so that they will search for him. He does not go anywhere in Abuja. Salaam alaikum. Deputy, I am looking for Odebu Bobo. Odebu, she's handsome. Yeah. She left the house. Wait, he's 8. I don't know he's 8. She's young, man. She's black.
He's not a fat, but she'll be fat.
Aisha, please, you gotta make food for me to eat, man. Which one is this? Odogu. Come make food for us when we talk. Are they angry? That's morning delay. Odogu will be he has died. I don't know. She will come back. We should make better arrangements. We should make better arrangements going.
Yeah, could you wait till I have Mukuma? Because I sleep and you're hungry. Where is the food in the house?
Yeah, where is the food in the house? Yeah, if you raise your voice for me, you will leave my house. This morning, I never told you anything. Food in the house. We should just
I want to understand that for something. Now, Odogu boo boo, I will jump. I will jump Odogu boo boo.
We will jump Odogu boo boo.
Hey, you saw if you're not total. Bullshit can sweet well. What is it, Aisha? Why are they looking at me? Do you see a ghost? Did you see a ghost? What is it?
Where did you go to? Where did you go to? You want to kill me? Where did you go to? I have been looking for you. Where did you go to?
So, Odogu boo boo, because of you since morning, I never talk about food.
Hey! This is the height of it. Don't be angry. Don't be angry. Don't be angry.
He can't insist.
Don't be angry.
Where you go?
You go back. Come now.
I go find bush where I go shit. I know they enjoy this toilet now. I want somewhere where I can shit. So I go down. I ask them where can I find bush in Abuja. They say it's a Dawaki.
So I like to Dawaki to go and shit. And when I go to Dawaki, the kind of bush I saw is not my favorite bush. I like all these bushes that the leaves used to have water on top. You know, all these bush. So when I see that kind of bush, that is where I shit and then I collect back.
All the way from Wuse, you trek to Dawaki.
I don't like this toilet. I like it if I'm shitting. You could have me. I want when I'm shitting. We'll be entering my yard windy. This toilet don't have that kind of thing.
Well, lying, you will fail for this. You will fail for this. Since morning, all of us never talk. I dey go Dawaki, I want shit. Damburu Ubansu.
Since morning, let's
Damburu Ubansu.
Dawaki man, go shit. I never think to morning. Make anything happen for my sister, I go tell them for you.
He never reach like that now.
Now he never reach like that go shock you. Now that shit go shock you like.
It's just shit, it's bush.
Now that walking go shock you like.
Has she been crying since morning?
Sorry, I'm missing that air that enter my yard when I'm
Please, tomorrow.
Sorry.
Tell us.
Sorry.
Hey, we are the
Aisha.